In this video, I will show you like how to integrate Razorpay payment gateway, okay, to the PHP server, and also um, by using this AWS Lambda function. Okay, in this, like I have integrated um, three different backend techniques to handle this Razorpay payment gateway, and one is Google Firebase. By using Google Firebase functions, we can handle this payment data from the Razorpay. Okay, and another one, by using this PHP, we can get this webhook data from the PHP and then parse the necessary data and send back to the MQTT broker. Okay, from MQTT broker we can control the IoT device. Okay, this is the second method, and third one is by using this AWS Lambda Function. Okay, this is the serverless architecture. Okay, you just need to write Node.js or Python code to handle this Razorpay payment data. Okay, I will show you the demo. Okay, before that, I will show you the actual code where this PHP is running. Okay, currently this application I have hosted on this Hostinger. Okay, this is the iot.axrthings.com. This is the domain. Okay, and if we go inside this file manager, we will see this application. Okay, this is public HTML, and inside this page, okay, that is leavhistory.php. This is some other application, but in this particular page, I am using this. I'm handling this payment like webhook from this Razorpay. Okay, once it parse this um, JSON data from the Razorpay, it will send the amount timestamp and UPI ID to the MQTT broker. Okay, that is broker.emqx.io. Okay, and the port is 1883, and which is not secured, but we can use that 8883 also. Okay, and this is the topic vending underscore 2025 slash data. Okay, like after parsing the necessary data, this will send back to the MQTT broker. Okay, from MQTT broker we can connect to our IoT device. Okay, and this is secured. Okay, this is using this X Razorpay signature. This is fully secured. Okay, and this is one method. Okay, to handle this payment gateway. Okay, and second one is by using Lambda function. Okay, here this is the Lambda function. Okay, this is running on this AWS. Okay, this is the Python code uh, in which it is sending the um, parsed data to this same broker, that is broker.emqx.io. Okay, and the topic is xt underscore vending, but small changes in this Python script. I'm parsing the QR code ID from the JSON data which I'm getting from the Razorpay payment gateway. Okay, because this QR code ID will be unique. Okay, and based on this QR code ID, I will map this to device ID. Okay, so that if particular QR code, see here I have multiple QR codes, right? Okay, like if I have 10 different device, I can like map this first one to the device number one, second one to the device number two, third one to the device number four, like that. Okay, if this particular QR code gets the amount, okay, only this device will dispense the item. Okay, so I'm just passing this QR code ID and I'm sending this to uh, broker. Okay, this as the MQTT topic. Okay. Now I will run the demo. Okay. For that, I need to make payment for any of the QR code, and I will open this MQTT application. Okay. This is the previous MQTT data. Okay. This first one is from the PHP. Okay. PHP code. Um, what it does is like it will just parse the amount, timestamp, and your UPI ID, and that then it will send to this topic, that is vending underscore 2025 slash data. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, vending underscore 2025 slash data. Okay, this is the PHP code, and second one is this AWS Lambda function. Okay, this also does the same, but one addition is like it will send to this QR code ID topic. Okay, it will publish the parsed data from the Razorpay payment gateway to this topic. Okay, this one xt underscore vending slash this QR code ID. Okay, this is the QR code ID. Okay, to this topic that AWS IoT core is sending this JSON data. Okay, I will show you the demo now. For that, I need to make payment. I'm just scanning this QR code from my PhonePe application. Okay, I will clear this history. Okay, now I will make the payment. Okay, now the first one is from the PHP. Okay, and the second one is from the AWS Lambda function, and both are working fine. Okay, first one, the pass it this amount data and timestamp. Okay, and then the UPI ID. But this one, the second one is AWS Lambda function. This also giving the amount, timestamp, UPI ID, and this is just a message like from AWS Lambda, and code is to dispense. Okay, this is how my PHP and this AWS Lambda function is working. Okay, and another one is by using this Firebase function. Okay, that is also working similar to this AWS Lambda function. Okay, thank you.